Hey everyone, this is Ashley with CT Marina Digitals. I'm going to do a very quick tutorial to show you how to use my Firefly overlays in Photoshop. I have opened the image that I want to use. I do have open some overlays as well, but another way, instead of copying and pasting, which if you have the overlay open, you can select all, edit and copy, and then edit and paste into your image. But I'm going to do it another way so it is already a smart object, so I can quickly switch between them. I'm going to go to File and Place Embedded. Navigate to the folder where your overlays are saved. Your overlays are going to come in a zipped file. You are going to want to unzip them and save them to your computer or your hard drive before you try to open them into Photoshop, because Photoshop cannot open zipped files. Okay, so I have my zip folder, but I have some of the files unzipped already in here. I'm just going to go ahead and double click and then resize. Press OK, and then I'm going to come over and change my blending mode. It's on normal right now. I'm going to change it to screen. And then create a layer mask here on my overlay. Use a black brush at 100% opacity and just brush those fireflies off of where I do not want them. And that's it. If I want to switch between overlays to see how different ones look, I can right click my overlay layer, replace contents, and simply choose a different overlay. And then you can continue to brush off if that overlay has more on it that you do not want on your image. There's a bunch of different ones in here that you can use. Some of them have less, some of them are a little bit more blurred, some of them have more. Some of them have a little bit of light leak overlay. This one does. As you can see, it has a little bit of some light added to that one, which is really pretty for a golden light image like this one. But yeah, that's it. Super simple to use. You just have to change the blending mode and create your layer mask and brush on or off wherever you do not want the fireflies. If you have any questions, you can send me a message. If you are a studio photographer, I would love for you to join my group on Facebook. I will link that in the description. If you want more free tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel to be notified when new videos are added.